likewise. So they do. Now, sell straight away if you want to like these or not, because they're a distributor of floor coverings and matting, and there's an opportunity to consolidate the domestic market. Who's a taker? Even Paul, surely. Now, this is kind of boring company. Boring companies can make you money, but is it a good company? Just being boring or not is not the way to make money. So here we are. 16 pence, target price 30, 87 cent upside, market cap 39, enterprise value 64. Oh, that there, straight away, sending me, they got a chunk of debt. So, average daily volume, 40 grand. Operating profit, 1.4. These were results for 31st of December. Debt, 30 million. 30 million debt. Never happens in that. Operating cash flows, all right, and free cash flows, all right. They are generating cash there, so it could be worse. It could be worse. So growth is good. Values, questionable. Momentum, no. Health, again, we know about the debt now. Yeah, we know about your debt. Don't worry about that. Efficiency, key, and potential is upside. So, so the most important there is going from green, amber, red. So let's have a look. Growth is all fine. It's EV/EBITDA is 15. That's because the margins are not good. Look at that net debt. So even when you take all the cash off, you've got net debt 24.6 million. Gross gearing 77%. So that's of all their equity, debt is 77% of that. They're all right to cover their current liabilities for the year, but efficiency gross 30, operating margin 1, return on capital 2.4. Share price, look at that. So we're assuming it's not in a trend year. Do you like or not? Likey. So you see there, it's scrolling out. It's come to the market. What then? August 21, rose up in the bull market, and then we're all in the bear market. Yay, bouncing along. And you can see here a couple of lower highs there, but it seems like these are final results. It seems like we may have hit the bottom. Bit like AIM, good companies on AIM now are rallying. They've been rallying for a while. The recovery plays maybe not, but they're flatlining. This is a high and low. Anyway, quickly on Likewise Group, what are you saying? You likey or no? Likewise, a friend of mine works for them, convinced me to buy some shares, and they tanked. Have they hit the floor, though? Hey, that's Mick there. Yeah, I hate that. Buy some. That's a typical example of management being very bullish to the employees, buy some stock. Maybe because they say, no, we're not going to give you a pay rise. We'll give you some stock, because the stock's going to go through the roof. Don't worry the floor. And they went through the floor. Floor is quite appropriate. I don't like. Too much debt. Graham, no. Debt too high. They are printing lots of new shares. Ed, possibly. Revenue's growing well, and they're taking market share from Headlam. Oh, okay. Interesting, though. Daniel, I think I prefer Headlam. Terrible results, but most of the market cap covered by their freehold property. Okay, good point. Nat, no, too much debt. Not going anywhere. Phil, no likey.